Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PHIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, and day, yes, but I want to kind of look at multiple days here, and the main dynamic to look at is this trend line that's really been pressing the price down quite a bit. And the fact is that after, more so late day today, because that's when the volume came in here, as you can see, the price did manage to get a break of this trend line, although final 30 minutes right there kind of put a little bit of a buzzkill on things. But still, the price is still up around this trend line. And so going forward, it's really a question of, all right, you know what? A nice move started. Is this the start of something bigger, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce site movement, and that this trend line break is really just a false breakout? There's not any sort of genuine power behind it. And to help answer that question, in my mind at least, the very important level going forward is now right up here at 19.5 cents. Why is 19.5 important? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but just to offer up, kind of visualization sake as why this level would be important, is if the price comes down through 19.5, what would that be doing to the price? Well, at that point, from a very literal perspective, it would be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they just broke out from, not exactly a sign of a true breakout, right? Whereas on the flip side, if the price goes sideways here, then begins to work its way upwards, well, at least in this set of circumstances, you'd have lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 19.5. So watch that very closely, and that'll help kind of really, at least for me, visualize whether or not this trend line break is the start of something bigger or not. So very curious about this, and we'll see. And mainly curious because this one has shown in the past that it can move big. So if it's going to move big again, let's see if this is indeed the start. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.